Hi, this is Dave Ward, and this is number 10 in our series of the top 10 mistakes we see people make when they're getting divorced in Georgia. The 10th mistake that I see people make so often is trying to represent themselves against a party who is represented by an attorney. I frequently am asked the question, is it possible for somebody to represent themselves in a divorce? The response that I usually give is it's sort of akin to asking if it's possible for a dentist to give themselves a root canal. I suppose it's possible, but it's not what any rational person would do. And this is particularly true in a situation where the other side is represented by an attorney. Attorneys are going to be familiar with and understand not only the procedures of the court, but all of the rules of evidence. They're going to understand the deadlines that are involved, when things have to be filed, when things have to be turned over, all of those types of things. And if you're going to choose to represent yourself, you're going to be held up to exactly that same standard. And I can tell you from my own experience, from trying cases against unrepresented parties, it very, very rarely works out well for the unrepresented party because they simply aren't equipped with the tools necessary to do and understand what has to be done at various points throughout the case. You've just finished our series on the top 10 mistakes we see people make when they're getting divorced in Georgia. It's important to understand this list is not exhaustive. There is almost an unlimited list of mistakes that we see. These are just the ones that we see most often. If you're looking at a divorce, and particularly if you've reached this point where you've watched all 10 of our videos, then it seems pretty clear at this point that there is something going on. And I always tell people it's important to speak with an attorney at the outset of the process. Don't wait until some point later on. Having good information at the outset can make a tremendous difference going through the entire process. So if you would like to contact us and set up a time for us to do a real case analysis of your case where we will sit down and review the facts with you, we'll evaluate the legal issues that are present in your case, we'll analyze the strategies that can be employed in your case, and we'll create a list of next step action items for you. All you need to do is contact us. You'll find our contact information below. So that's it for our series. I'm Dave Ward from the Ward Law Firm, and I help protect business owners who are facing divorce in Georgia.